Welcome back to UK Theme Parks and welcome back to the Alton Towers Resort as Nemesis is going up at a staggeringly fast pace. So in this update we will bring you the latest from the Nemesis construction site, which includes obviously the station area, which is undergoing a massive retheme, and of course the iconic Corkscrew, which is back in place. Now look at the station here. The station is really undergoing a lot of work, and the track coming out of the station as well has been primed down, particularly to a grey colour. You can see the back end of the station, which we started our look at a couple of weeks ago, was changing from the kind of white shade to the grey shade. That has now nearly been complete down this side as we look over the construction for this. But this is the exciting part. Look, the Corkscrew is back. Oh, it looks absolutely fantastic. Now, of course, you will notice in the background as well that the lift hill, as we said, has been primed down to a grey colour, ready for painting. No longer is it white as the whole ride comes together. I didn't think this would be done quite so soon, in honesty, but they are really pushing forward, getting the exterior part of this done. And of course the iconic Corkscrew leading up to the drop. Now where you see there on the base of the drop part, that is as far as the track goes. So in terms of coming off the lift hill at the moment and coming round, that piece isn't done. Now as you can see here at the end of the ride, that supports and station bits are also being primed up, including kind of the newer bits of track which have gone in for repainting as well to match the old parts. Quite weird the way they've done it, really is. And then we'll show you some stills from here. So this is the forceful helix turnaround which has been installed. Obviously the back end of the station is looking fantastic, touching it up as they go, and an overview of the construction site. And there's a lot of cosmetics going on now, As we move into the next one, you can see the station area, particularly the track coming out, that is being worked on as well. I don't know if we're expecting anything new for the exterior of the building, but they are definitely doing more to it and padding it out a little bit and fixing parts which have been damaged over the years. But I love the new colour scheme, I really do. People were really unsure, but I'm loving it. You can also see the sanding down parts as well, where they check the smoothness. These will be touched up in the future in terms of colour, so they don't look like that. And of course, iconic look at the Corkscrew, one of the most famous elements of Nemesis. As you can see in the background, the lift hill primer is on. We are grey there now, which is ready for painting. We expect that to be the same colour. Whether or not it'll be black with the veins or just black, we're not 100% sure yet, but it won't be long now until this goes. And obviously with the lift hill, it's important they get that done early, because they're going to have to reinstall the electrics and the chain lift and everything back on it as well. But yeah, looking fantastic. Nemesis is looking fantastic for a 2024 opening as we look at the end of the track piece there. Now as we look at the next one as well, you can see that the old track is being painted up. This is probably the best look we've got of it being done. Yeah, it looks fantastic. So that's it. That's our update from Alton Towers and Nemesis for this week. Really hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, please give us a like. It means the world to us. Thank you for joining us here on UK Theme Parks. We'll see you next time.